Hi you guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going over a sewing I did with Ali Pearl Hair, 24 inches. If you are interested in seeing how I accomplished this look, keep on watching. So let's just go ahead and hop right into it. Don't want to make this video long at all. We're going to hop right into the braid pattern. I'm going to be completely honest with you. The braid pattern does not have to be the prettiest, the cutest, because guess what? It's not going to be seen. Just make sure that you have a piece of hair out for the leave out in the middle or on the side, whichever one you desire. And also have some hair left out on the sides for her edges. The next thing you want to do is go right ahead and start sewing it down. There's no particular method in how you sew it down. You literally just sew it side to side, side to side. And as you get to the top, you start to make a curve so that you can kind of curve the tracks around the part that you are trying to conceal. So I'm doing the middle part, so I'm going to start curving it as I get closer and closer to the top to close her up. And then, of course, start laying down her leave out. Now I'm just going to go ahead and start to detangle the hair. As you start sewing the bundles down, it can get a little bit, just tangled. So you do want to go in with a wide tooth comb, not a fine tooth, but a wide tooth comb, and just start to detangle the hair from bottom to top. Here you guys just see me showing you how I successfully laid her tracks. They're super flat, and I'm going to take out that braid that you guys see on the side and push it back, flat iron it, and make it really nice and natural looking. So just want to show you guys the foundation of how I actually sewed everything down. It was not hard. I'm not a professional. You can do this yourself. Now, as you guys see here, I'm just showing you guys how I successfully have straightened her hair out. Now, I did go ahead and straighten her hair out with my Chi flat iron I purchased. Well, my mom's flat iron that she purchased from Marshall's. It's like the best flat iron on the block. I do like my Revlon flat iron, but every so now and again I use the Chi flat iron, and it never disappoints. So as you can see, her hair is nice and sleek. This hair got really nice and straight. I did go ahead and clip the ends because the ends were a little bit frayed, but I managed to use a specific product, which is this one right here, to get rid of any flyaways that were happening at the top of her hair and make sure that everything was just looking nice and flat and seamless so that her hair could blend in with it perfectly. And as you guys can see here, I'm just rubbing in that mousse at the top of her sewing before I even push her hair down and start flat ironing her hair. I also want to show you guys how I clip the ends just so that it looks more natural and it doesn't look like her hair is just like getting thin at the end. As you guys can see here, I went ahead and took that braid out that I had on the side and I just flat ironed it back just so that if the wind blows or if she decides she wants to throw her hair like back in a ponytail, it's not going to show her tracks on the side. It's actually going to show her real hairline. So it just gives you that more seamless and natural effect versus you just sewing it and leaving no leave out in the front for your edges, and then the wind blows and sweetheart, you're exposed. So with that being said, I'm going to go in now and start to flat iron her leave out. Again, I did use my Chi flat iron to create this look. As you can see, her hair is blending in perfectly with this hair, and she's natural. She did not perm her hair. I literally just passed it one time with the flat iron. It's all in your technique. If you can flat iron hair properly, it doesn't matter if you're natural or if you are not, you can get a seamless natural finish. So with that being said, go ahead and enjoy the rest of this video. You guys are going to see how I went ahead and styled her edges and closed out the end of this video. All right, so that is it for this video. This is the finished look. It came out really pretty. I liked how it just looks so seamless and so natural. She did love this look as well. If you guys did like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will definitely see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.